Another tool in the maths learning kit is compass. Compass available in the maths kit is like this. This is nicely prepared using a plywood. It's strong. It has two movable needles, one static and one moving. It has two arms or wings. So we should measure angle between two lines. How do we make this ourselves? Let us see now. I am using a drawing sheet. Half of a drawing sheet. Find the center of the drawing sheet. This is the center. Using a protractor, we are drawing a half circle. We may not have such a big protractor, so we can tie a thread to a pencil. Keep it in the center. We can keep it here and draw a semicircle. What have we done now? We have drawn half the size of the original compass, which is available in the maths kit. We have 0 to 180 degrees. We can measure 180 degrees now. What we can do while measuring a higher angle or a lower angle? First, where is the 90 degrees? If I fold this drawing sheet, this is where I get the 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Let us mark 10 degrees in between. I am using the compass from the kit. We need not draw 1 degree each. Just to make children understand, we can mark the points. This is 90, this is 80, this is 70, 120. This is how we can draw a line for every 10 degrees. For every angle, this is the starting point. This is 0. Let us write degree here. The degree symbol is this. Now, on a semicircle, we can draw 0 to 180 degrees. This is a thin drawing sheet. We can make it strong, otherwise it may not be durable, by keeping a cardboard at the bottom and stick this drawing sheet on the cardboard. How does it look? Let us see. This is how we can see it. Now this is strong. Now, using this compass, what angles can be measured? How do we measure the angles? We can bend a piece of drawing sheet, a small piece of sheet, keep one side horizontal. This is the static line. This is the moving line. What we can do with this moving line is finding angles. If it is kept here, what angle is this? Nobody can see the numbers here. How much is the angle? So we have to guess the number. So it can be played as a game. When I guess, if the moving line is here and I say it is 100, it is wrong. It is below 70. So it is 67, right? Any number that we guess, if it is within the deviation of 5 degrees, I win. Otherwise, I lose points. We can play a game like this. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 150 degrees. This can be put even near the door of the classroom. This is the threshold and this is the door. When the door opens, at what angle does it open? Does it open at 40 degrees or 90 degrees or 100 degrees, 130 degrees? This is how we can go on teaching. If it is kept open like this is 180 degrees. This is how we can make and use this TLM and play interesting games of angles.